On 23 June 2023, a delegation of the Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito had met the Director of the Directorate of Program Implementation and Evaluation, Government of Meghalaya Kumar, to submit a memorandum on the request for an advertisement to be issued against the vacancy of Peon at the particular department. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Hito President Don Boklang Dakar informed that the submission of the memorandum to the PIE Director Kumar was based on the personal request of Minister of the Departments of PHE and Soil and Water Conservation Marquis Marak, requesting for appointment of a candidate to the position of Peon in the Directorate. Following this, the President of Hito had requested the authority to issue an advertisement to the same effect so as to enable fair and equal opportunity to all deserving candidates.
Who said that we are protesting? Who informed you that we are going to protest?
If you have any protest for I
No, who told you that you have an appointment, yeah?
No appointment.
Yeah.
Yes. Then copy that. Copy that.
Who said that we are going to appoint?
So who gave us the
Assistant Director. Ada dia post, ada dia post. Pak Nelson. Bersama saya dorang. Saya ni dia bani untuk Director jangka Program Implementation and Evaluation. Kalau gum ni mong hadian bang yok gawe kesti ke halor kesti ke belapa tu Minister jangka PHE Soil and Water Conservation Marquis and Marak. Hang ni kesti ke bakat praterik mi arhajar arpulai. Ulat tho su Director jangka Program Implementation and Evaluation Thats Secretariat Nokret Building Lopan Lachmer uang gum ni. But enclosed, please find her with the application along with necessary testimonial certificate in respect of Srimati Jenny G. Moment, daughter of late PG Moment, who is applying for the post of a peon in your office against existing vacancy she held from a poor family background and the sole breadwinner of the family, who is a petitioner mother expired during the 2021. As such, there is no support to her kanegishti ketika bala pa to Minister jangka PHE bat jangka soil unjuk Marquis and Marak. Tena kalian kujungi Hito da kanega memorandum kishti show Director jangka Program Implementation and Evaluation Kumar. Hang ni ngila highlight bangila ong ba kat ya bamentali ka ket ngidang yatai bahaya halor kadang ton ka debate halor ka roster anem ka ta ka roster reservation dan ka roster polisi hane ka ta reservation polisi apa ko jala ko jungi te habangi pej pat ya kata ka jing tha ko jung kamba long be an claim the khot kata ka advertisement ka exam dan proses ki prepare tengi nakaliang ko jungi ngimdon problem ngimdon iya itu inong apply ta ka kam henry de jin ba elect de kalenti ka badai kamot kata ka de kalenti ta ka bayat deki rule and procedure tingim dan jingwet henry la deki mut ban le sop tang number baki dan jing itu pat hangni ru ban suong ba iwan na kalong yeng ko baduk ha po jela me khla jungi ndai tang mai henry deki hazar ngot ki long yeng ki bawan na kalong yeng baduk lada ai ne ko mut ye ke be de ban ai te na kalyang ko jungi hangni ngila tho ba ya gane ko post de ban khot advertisement pat de ban ya ru deki exam gini tai kat kum ka lenti jong ga ai ngila tho shai ba kumbang ngila de aisin jing sneng teng ye psia man khane sarkar jala ba ngin ya ching ka sheri nginum sin rain ru banyat me sesien lada phipni yengi de kilenti ke ba shar khai de kilenti ki bam dei pause ka hitoru kan sapni ilang ipi de kilenti ka ba shar khai ta ka bayat ta ka bor jong ka ai lane da bangin yalam ye phi ngin tan ye phi shing sha